Foot pursuit. You're gonna get tased. Get the f on the ground now.
On December 8th, 2022, Florida police responded to a retail theft at a Prada boutique, then located the same suspects actively stealing again inside a Forever 21 store. Within the same day, Atlanta officers apprehended an armed robbery suspect at a Techwood Drive hotel in under 6 minutes. 2 incidents, 1 day. Multiple constitutional questions.
So after they were following them,
I'm still looking.
This way, we're checking for them.
I drive grand.
They just like walk out the exit right there.
Thinking they might have. Especially, did they know?
Yep. What is this door?
Right here.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop running! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Stop running! Get the other door! Get the other! Get the other!
Foot pursuit through the outlet. Let him please stop running! Let him please stop running! You're gonna get tased! Let him please stop running! Let him please stop running! 9-4. Let him please stop running! Stop running! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Why y'all got me?
Do not move! Face the wall!
My man trying to pay for my...
Foot pursuit. You're gonna get tased! Get the f on the ground now!
Bro, can I shot?
Get on the ground! Get on your stomach!
Okay.
Drop your phone or you're gonna
Can I
get
tell my
tased!
mom?
Put your hands behind your back!
Bro, why don't you...
Put your hands behind your back!
Bro, why don't you give me her bag, bro? Ooh, shit.
Right now.
You can help. You're not got me on camera doing anything. I got money. That girl just... That was not me.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting you, sir. But I can't see her bro. She just gave me her bag, bro.
Alright, get up!
Can I get my
Get up.
shoes on?
Come on.
Bro, I'm burning my shit out of here, bro.
No, you're not.
How I'm not? I have money in my purse.
Hold on, she's still fighting right now.
I promise, oh my baby.
Stop!
I'm not fighting you. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please go get my cousin's car keys, please?
Hold
I don't
on.
want to lose her car keys.
You're not gonna lose anything.
I'm not resisting you. I have money in my bag to buy
You
for what
are.
I wanted.
When I tell you to do something, you stop.
I'm stopping. You scared me. She gave me her bag and started running. What you expect me to do? Can I get my shoes, please? I don't want to walk barefooted. Excuse me, sir, please. Mr. Officer, please, my shoes.
Josh, where are you?
My shoes, sir, please. This is nasty. Everybody spits on this floor. He got her? Do he got her? Do he?
Thank you.
No.
Stop moving!
I'm not going nowhere. I'm telling you, I'm paying for my shit.
Do you need anything from us or no?
Probably.
Can you please, she gave me the bag. I'm trying to buy myself. I have money. I'm not spending.
I mean, I don't think they stole from you guys yet, but
I'm not
they've been hitting
spending.
a bunch of stores. So.
No, I have not. I just bought stuff out of Nike. I just bought stuff out of Nike.
Where do you think you're going? Stop moving!
Chill out, bro. What you doing?
What to do?
Fuck, you better chill.
I told you what to do. You're not gonna make me go chasing after you again.
Yeah, we got both of them right now. Sit. Put your feet out. All the way out.
Oh, sorry. I have money though. Y'all got me here like I'm buying my stuff. What did I steal? What did I steal?
You can come in through Saks.
Bro, the lady got
Put
mad.
your feet back out.
Oh, I'm sorry. Bro, the lady got mad because I shot a bird at her Old Navy. Nobody stole anything. Like, y'all, I have money. I have buku money in my purse.
Okay.
I have buku money in my purse.
Stop.
I'm sorry. I'm so I have money in my purse. That's crazy. That lady, I know that lady in Old Navy called y'all. She mad because I shot a bird at her and told them that they were harassing us.
Appreciate it.
That's
Where was that?
in the fitting room.
In the fitting room?
Yeah.
Okay. Just give us a minute, and then
I was nowhere near the
once we get more officers over here, they're gonna come in and try to see what else they have there.
That was the other girl that just walked out deep and shit. Stop yelling,
Stop talking.
Stop yelling.
Stop acting like we don't know what we're talking about.
Stop yelling, Blackie. Stop yelling. Those other girls that just walked out of there just left because something was going on. I'm in there shopping. Why would I be in there that long?
Yeah, that was that black girl. You marched the black girl walk right out the door.
Stop yelling.
No, because she marched the lady walk right out the door. They accused us.
Stop yelling.
That's why I was running.
You ran because the police yelled stop police and you kept going while you looked back at me.
You finna see what I read?
You got a warrant?
Oh, no.
Subject A then made a series of voluntary admissions, disclosing an outstanding warrant, active probation status, and apparent awareness of her legal exposure. No officer asked her a single question before these statements. Under Miranda versus Arizona, the Fifth Amendment protection against self-incrimination only activates during custodial interrogation initiated by law enforcement.
Which way did he go?
A suspect who speaks freely without prompting has no constitutional shield against her own words. Subject B presents a more complex Fourth Amendment question. Her claim that a companion placed stolen merchandise in her hands and ran raises the issue of mens rea, the mental element required for theft.
Yeah, you got that
Under Florida Statute 812.014, theft requires knowing and intentional deprivation of another's property. Possession alone, without proven intent, is not sufficient for a theft conviction. However, her flight on officer contact destroyed her most powerful defense. By running, she gave officers independent grounds for detention under the obstruction statute, Florida Statute 843.02, and converted a disputable factual situation into an arrest with probable cause. The moment she ran, she stopped being a bystander in the eyes of the law. One moment in the footage requires direct acknowledgement. An officer used a racial term when addressing subject B. That language, regardless of intent, violates professional conduct standards, contradicts departmental equal protection obligations under the 14th Amendment, and exposes the agency to civil liability under 42 United States Code Section 1983, the Federal Civil Rights Statute. The merchandise recovered on scene, items from Prada, Forever 21, Old Navy, and Steve Madden, is legally important beyond the immediate arrest. Florida Statute 812.014 allows prosecutors to aggregate the value of merchandise stolen across multiple stores in a single course of conduct. If the total exceeds $5,000, the charge elevates from a third-degree to a second-degree felony, carrying a maximum of 15 years in state prison. Moving to Atlanta. Officers at the Techwood Drive Hotel immediately secured two things: a victim statement and surveillance footage. Both actions were tactically and legally sound. Eyewitness identification from a victim who already knew the suspect from prior contact is among the strongest forms of probable cause available to law enforcement under the Fourth Amendment. Officers recovered a .22 caliber Uzi-style firearm, along with what appeared to be robbery proceeds. One officer flagged on scene that the weapon might constitute a federal offense. That instinct was legally correct. Under the National Firearms Act, Title 26 of the United States Code, Section 5861, possession of an unregistered machine gun is a federal felony, carrying up to 10 years in federal prison, entirely independent of any state armed robbery charge. Now for grades. The Florida officers receive a B+. The pursuit was legally sound, the force was proportional, and property handling was procedurally correct. The deduction comes entirely from one officer's use of a racial epithet, conduct that is professionally unacceptable, regardless of the circumstances of the arrest. The Atlanta officers receive an A-. Rapid victim interview, accurate description broadcast, clean felony stop, firearm recovery without discharge, and an on-scene federal weapons flag. The only deduction is a brief lapse into celebratory tone while the suspect remained in custody. A minor but noted professionalism concern. Subject A receives a D. She fled on sight of police, accumulating an obstruction charge on top of existing legal jeopardy. She then voluntarily disclosed a warrant, probation status, and possible awareness of the theft scheme, none of which was requested by officers. Every statement she made without invoking her right to silence compounded her exposure. Key lessons from Incident 1. First flight from police is never legally neutral. It adds charges, removes defenses, and converts ambiguous situations into probable cause. Second, the right to remain silent is absolute from the moment of detention. Volunteering information without an attorney present almost always harms the speaker.
Do you have an ID in there?
No.
Do you have any weapons in there?
No.
Okay. What's your name? We're right in front of Forever 21. If you walk in through Saks, go all the way through Saks, you'll see us.
I'm just gonna go see cases and then I'm gonna go see the police.
Okay, perfect, thanks.
So she got you mixed up with the black girl that just walked?
Girl, she said she finna go watch the footage. See.
We don't have y'all mixed up with anybody. Why would you?
Did I say you got me mixed up? Did I say that?
I don't know. She's saying that.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you?
No.
No?
You can talk to me.
Okay. You don't want to talk to me like you being slick, like you being like. Yes, sir. Please. Thank you.
Well, hold on. I mean, they're probably stolen too, so we gotta make sure.
No, they not. They're mine. Look at the bottom of them. We got paint and everything on them.
Okay, hold on.
Can I get my shoes?
We'll make sure.
Can you please call my mom?
Yeah, it was all the black girls.
Oh, you got no problems going on right now, sweetheart. The storm you ran through, should have done that. You got yourself a felony.
Violent tendencies, also on probation.
Oh, that's why too.
Violent felony offender.
Probation as well. That just got violated.
25, reference felony battery.
It don't matter.
Nice job.
It don't matter, bitch. I don't give a fuck.
See you here, guys.
Girl, I'm going to jail either way. I'm on probation. And I just ran for them. So what you
Yeah.
think?
Oh, maybe.
No. Can I be honest with
Maybe a different
you?
time.
It was three already in there when we went in there, and I just so happened knew the girl. I'm being real with you. Hey, Uncle Joe. That's my fucking uncle. Are you fucking kidding me? Joe.
Like the best security guard we have here. Oh man.
Uncle Joe.
You know her?
Uncle Joe.
Yeah. Yep.
It's a lot. I know that. It's a lot.
Uncle Joe, can you please call my mom to let her know that I'm here?
We're not going to deal with the. We're not going to deal with this part of the investigation. No, ma'am.
Into the mirror.
No, ma'am.
Is you can be charged with additional.
Can be. She's going to be.
I mean, you are going to
Because they looked back at us both and then took off towards the store.
This is without violence.
So.
I never, because he scared me. I told him
Without
he's scared.
violence.
You work here? Okay. You work here? Yeah. Somebody bag was left over.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Thank you.
Trevor, I have on call SVU. It's 920 Miss Lane. Need the number?
Let's check, shall we? That looks like yours.
Yep, that's ours.
Is any of this yours?
Yep, that.
This thing? And probably this one then too?
That's ours too.
Okay.
That's Old Navy,
Old Navy.
and then that is probably
Madden.
hers. Yeah. Is there stuff? No, that's yeah, that's probably stolen too.
Yeah, I would assume so. Old Adventure. Because this looks like that.
Yeah.
So these are both Steve Madden. This is Steve Madden. And this is their rental car. And then this is Old Navy in here. Old Navy, Old Navy, Old Navy, Old Navy.
35560.
Old Navy. Where's the Steve Madden? Oh, did they come out of Saks?
They lost sight of them at the fountain.
You have a release for us?
Okay.
So after they were following her, they
I'm still looking.
this way. They're taking it for us.
The iDrive van still needs one more. So for the iDrive van needs one as well.
Want to introduce himself?
I know I ain't getting all that.
Can you get my purse? That purse is never. Can you get the purse?
Which purse is yours?
This is my purse. Come get my purse.
This purse is yours? No, it's going with you. You're an adult. It's just going with you.
I gotta go with him.
It's got money and all that in it. It's going with you.
That's my money.
I know it's going with you.
It's gonna be in my belongings when I
Yes.
get out.
Yes.
All my money.
Yes, because there's money in it. It's staying with you. And we're gonna count it in front of you and all that stuff. I'm not handing it off to somebody else.
Okay, no, that's my auntie. That's what I'm telling
I
you.
got you.
I'll handle this stuff.
Come on, y'all can't be talking no more. You're an adult. We're done with it.
On the wall. and pounds and they did that shit. They did that shit. They did. Can somebody tie the back of my neck? Because this is my thing for the
What? Yeah.
Pull it up. Pull it tight.
How do I do that?
Untie. Wait, let me go down first. Untie because it's going to come on. He know you do your girlfriend's on. You know how to do it.
You said untie
Yeah,
and
untie. He pressed the thing to record. All she said was, all she said was, can you? Because you know if the strap's gonna come around my neck, then this is gonna please. Come on, you do it. Sit down. Let me sit back here. You can't. Blackie, your hands are cuffed. How? That don't make sense. Make it make sense.
So is it a bow tie?
Yes, it's a shoe tie.
Get on the ground! Hands on your back!
I copy showing you about as well.
Hello. This 1132 Techwood?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, someone came in with a gun.
How long ago?
I don't know, 15 minutes, something like that.
Can you give me some video real quick so we can put a lookout for him real quick? Like that, whatever, that video there, like, can you rewind that?
Yeah, I don't know. Let me see if my boss knows how to get it.
Which way did he go?
He just went out the door and then right. I don't know if he went up or down Techwood Drive. I've seen him before. I'd recognize him because he was in our hotel like a couple weeks ago.
Did he check in?
No, he didn't stay here, but he like come into our hotel. He like would just kind of steal things out of our market. We thought he was homeless or something.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you got that Exxon stuff that on
Yep.
Yeah.
I can get them to upload it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be him not. Did he have a backpack?
Did he have a book bag?
Second to talk to you, huh?
Did he have a book bag?
He did have a book bag on, yeah.
Yeah, they say he had a book bag. He had white shoes on?
I didn't see the shoes.
Hey, come back down and take the file, Brady.
Just call. Alright, just check around. I'm gonna move around.
Where? Oh, I got eyes on him. Send the fella.
Still got eyes.
Hey, Fern.
Alright, we're coming up. Myself and Georgia Tech. 26.
Copy on scene.
Send him to hoodie. Show me your hands. Get on the ground! On the ground! Get on the ground! Hands on your back! Get your hands on your back! Wait, cuff him.
Hold on.
Alright, we're getting them cuffs. Oh, awesome, man. That's beautiful. Thank you. Appreciate it. This is awesome. Yeah, man. Stuff here, man.
I was like, you might want to.
28 check.
You might have a damn federal offense on that too.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, it says Uzi pistol, but I don't know if it's.
Yeah, there's ways to check if it's full auto or not. But I don't know how to do that. You gotta like.
Boy, you try to rock. Let's walk this way. Oh, okay. Them jokers are on kind of tight.
It looks like this little U.S.C.